In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods to your Shopify store. Setting up payment options correctly is important because it allows customers to pay easily and helps improve your overall shopping experience. So let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Payments. This section allows you to manage all payment gateways and checkout methods for your Shopify store. Now you'll see different payment options such as Shopify Payments, PayPal, third-party providers, and manual payment methods like cash on delivery or bank transfer. To add a payment provider, click on Choose a Provider. A list of available payment gateways will appear on your screen. Select the payment method you want to use for your store. After choosing a provider, follow the setup instructions to connect your account. Some payment providers may ask you to log in, verify your business details, or enter API credentials before activation. Once the setup is complete, save your changes and make sure the payment method appears as active in your Shopify Payments section. It's also a good idea to run a test transaction to confirm everything is working properly before customers begin placing orders. Offering multiple payment methods can help improve customer trust and increase your chances of completing more sales. And that's it. You've successfully added payment methods to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.